Catus Maximus here, this time with a review of kind of an old set of Jet Tools Japan. I don't believe this is related to the Jet woodworking tool equipment company. I believe it was a Japanese hand tool company that just happened to have the same name. Trying to do research on it, it just comes up with everything about the Jet Tools woodworking or woodworking tool equipment company. Really hard to find anything about these. Besides this jet and this interesting little logo, I don't know if these were made for the American Jet Tools company and were just part of a short-lived hand tool series from them. But just wanted to mention, I had run into these and I've seen a lot of cheap pliers, but these actually looked okay. Even when I compare it to like the inventor of the slip joint pliers, I believe the inventor, Diamond Tools, these really do look pretty good. They have really nice teeth. Nice manufacturing, pretty even, definitely pretty rigid, definitely pretty good steel. You know the cheap Chinese pliers because you can grip them, and it's like the handles are springs, but the handles on these are actually pretty rigid. They are more traditional, you know, they say drop forge Japan on them. These are traditional nut, where more modern ones will use a hard rivet. Here we go, we have a more modern set of channel lock 526s here. And we can see some of the differences. The more classic ones use more straight teeth, or the channel lock or the teeth are a little bit more angled, and of course a hot rivet. And then they forge the handles to be a little bit wider, a little bit more ergonomic on modern versions of these. But these just caught my eye because they actually seemed like pretty decent ones. Never heard of Jet Tools, although looking around on eBay, they made vice grip knockoffs that actually look pretty good too, with the same logo in blue packaging. So they did make some halfway decent tools. There's just very little information about them or where they really came from. So that's kind of the purpose of this channel, is to document tools, and never seen a Jet brand hand tools before coming out of Japan. But to tell you the truth, they do seem just fine. Anyway, it was just a short little video. I also wanted to mention, check out my merchandise, my t-shirts and stuff on my T-String store that I have linked in the description. Certainly helps me out quite a bit more than thousands of views when people buy my t-shirts and stuff. And just wanted to mention that. Anyway, I really appreciate everybody who's been watching and subscribing. And if you haven't subscribed, please do. Until next time, Catus Maximus out.